So I'm here in Logic and I wanted to make this quick tutorial on how to install this this VST right here from Bram and Sion Smart Electronics. That's like a sort of oscilloscope, and it was like a little bit of pain in the ass to find how to install this material, because I'm not really used to it, but we're getting there. So I hope yeah, to give you like a little short tutorial so that you don't have to yeah, do all that searching, because it's, I guess, two hour search to make it work. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. So basically you just download the file from the right developer, of course. You can just go to the website. It's here above where my mouse is, and then you just go to click on download, and you will see that the little folder will be downloaded. It's like here in the right corner, if you see my mouse, like here. And then of course you can open this map, or you can drag it to your desktop. That's what I did. So if you open this map, you will see like a few things here. Of course, you can read this, but that's not really a description of how to install it. That's why I'm here. So for your Mac users, because I'm not going to get into Windows because I don't use Windows, I'm going to just explain it for the Mac users, because I guess there is already a video about this for Windows users, but not for Mac. So this is for Mac users only. Let's open the Mac folder, and you see 3 little folders, and we have to get the file from each folder in the right space. And how do you do that? You go to your Finder, and then you go to Go. Next you go to Computer, and you select your Microsoft hard drive. You go to Library, then Audio, the audio file, and then you select Plugins. And here are like the same folders, and in each folder you have to put like the information that comes with this package into the given folder. So components, the information of the file that is in components, you click and drag it like into the components on your Mac hard disk. And you do this for like each folder of VST. Of course, this file goes to VST. Of course, I already did that, so I'm not going to do it again. And then for VST3 as well. So you drag them and drop them, and you will hear like a little tune, or how do you say, it's like a little click or a confirmation sound that it's copied over. But of course you want to double check, so you can close this, and then you go to each file and you look if you find like the right VST developer in that it's in the right spots, that it's in the map, and you check this for like every map you dragged it to. So it's over there, it's also over here. So one thing I noticed is that like the first time I did this, it wasn't really copied over in this map. So what I did is re-download it, because when you drag them and drop them, they are gone out of this map. So you have to re-download it and then re-copy it in the right spot. So that could be some issue. I don't know why it did that, why it didn't really copy it over well, but disappeared somehow. So but when it's in the right folder, I hope it works directly, but for me I had some issues with it, which I will address right now. So what's happened is like when I opened like my DAW, there was a message that said that Logic can't open it because there was issues with the how do you call it, he couldn't verify the developer or something. It's kind of an error message. So what you do when you see that message is you go to System Preferences, Privacy and Security, and then you have to unlock this for you have to unlock it because normally you will see here a message in this spot, but I already clicked on it. You can click then on allow this developer to get into your system or something. I don't know exactly how it's written, but you will see there, and you click there. You click on the button, and then normally it will be allowed to run on your computer. So, and then you can click this little log again and go back to your program. What you should do always is, like, before you see any error message or open up logic, is reboot your computer. It's so important. I noticed that every time I use like a third-party VST and I don't reboot my computer, it's there's always some issues with it. So I guess it's best when you drag and drop the file into the right folder to reboot the computer completely, just to prevent like error messages or something. Okay, when this when the message is not going away, what you could do is like also go into Logic Pro. You go to Preferences, then you go to Plugin Manager, and then in the left column you will see like on the bottom from this list, you will see the developer normally in if it's downloaded correctly. You see this small electronics. You can click on it, and then you will see it like here in this list on the right side of the column. So normally you will say that it's unsuccessfully validated. Now it's finally successfully validated, but you can tick off or on this. This should be like clicked on this little box, and then you can click done and then reboot the computer again, and then hopefully it will work. If that's not the case, you can try to reset and rescan selection. And look what it's doing. Normally it's giving you some information about it, but I guess when you did the previous steps, that the download will be successfully done. So I hope this was clear and that I saved you some time to get this down. For the rest, now you can click done and just try it for you. You can put it in on some instruments. It's just it's a good trick to use this for mixing your bass with the kick. So I'm just learning this stuff. So it's kind of a good trick, they say, to see how the waveforms are responding to each other. So it works for me, and I hope it works for you as well. So with that said, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.